Hey everybody, I made this video to show you guys how to use this TVD Steam Cleaner. Now this is not a video on how to steam clean, it's a video on how to use this particular cleaner, how the different pieces go on and stuff like that. So I'm going to just go through all the stuff you need to know in order to use it. First of all, most obvious is the water. So how do you add water? You add water here. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this, and I should say before you open that, you need to think about safety. You don't want to have any pressure in there. So you should not open that if this has been on in the last 10 minutes. Make sure it's off for at least 10 minutes to make sure you don't burn yourself or anything like that. Also, you want to make sure that the trigger is on when you open it, because when you have the trigger on, it's going to release any pressure so that you know there's no pressure. So we're just going to unscrew that, and then this comes with this little funnel, and we can just fill the water up here, pour the water in here. So that's the basics, and then when we're done with that, then we can put this on. Now the next thing I want to show you is you'll see it comes with all these different ends, all these different brushes, different sizes, everything like that, but you'll notice they don't go on here, all right? So a couple things I want to show you. First of all, you can put any of these things can go directly on here, or you can use the extenders, and you can use as many or as few as the extenders as you want. You can just all you need to do is you'll see this little slot here. You're just going to push this down, slide this down until it clicks, and then I have this piece, and now I can add whatever accessory I want to use, or I can put another one of these on if I want, with the same mechanism, all right? And then I can start using this one, or I can put the other one on. But I'm just since I can put any of these that I want or not, I'm just going to show you with this. Now that I have imagined that I'm ready to put the piece on that I want to put on. So you can see I have this big brush, I have these pieces like this. So what we have is we have certain things that can go directly on here, or really only one thing. So if you're using this brush here, this can go directly on here. It just mounts on just like that, and it's mounted on. If we want to use this large brush here, we need to put the adapter on. So this curved one here is the adapter for that brush. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to clip it on like this, and then we're going to come in and we're going to twist this on like that until it's flush with everything, okay? Now I'll just take that off for now. We don't need to mess with that for now. Now, if I want to use any of these pieces here, I'm going to need to use this accessory adapter here. So I'm going to put this accessory adapter on here. So then I can take any of these pieces that I want, and what I do is I just slide them on. You'll see there's these slots here, slot here, and then there's these two bumps here. I just slide it over those bumps, and then I turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and then I turn it counterclockwise to undo it. If you want to use, this is the window scraper. If you want to use the window scraper, it's the same thing. It mounts on this accessory, but this is actually two pieces that we need to put together. So how we're going to put this together is, you see this piece has these two tabs here. That's going to go in these two slots here, slide in there, and then this is going to pop down like that. And then this is our steam cleaner window scraper. The last thing I'll show you is, so we're going to turn it on. So when we turn it on into the on function, then we're going to use the trigger to release the steam. Now this trigger has a lock underneath it. So if it's in this position, you cannot pull the trigger. Okay, so we need to make sure it's unlocked, and then we can pull the trigger. But we can also, with the trigger pulled, we can also put it in the lock position and hold it in the steaming position. And the last thing I'll show you is that we can manage the amount of steam. We can control the amount of steam with this dial on here. The more I turn it this way, the more steam will come out, and the more I turn it this way, it closes it and less steam will come out. So anyways, if you're interested in this steam cleaner, I'll put a link down below to where you can get it.